Questions from you about today's major ruling from the Supreme Court on President Obama's health care ruling.
Let's check in again with News Channel 5's Mollie Reynolds for the very latest. Mollie?
We certainly have been getting a lot of questions now. You were talking politics before the break. Now we're also getting questions about how this will impact people. And one of the popular questions I've been seeing a lot of has to do with how this will affect the uninsured. Now this next question comes from Erin Kelly on Twitter, and she says, how will health care access and cost change for workers whose employers do not offer health care? That's for one of our experts.
Mollie, thanks. Judy Goodman, why don't you take that?
Sure. Well, it depends on the size of the company. If the company has 50 or more employees, they are going to be expected to either provide health care insurance or pay a penalty for their full-time employees that don't have insurance. But for smaller companies, the tax credit opportunity is already beginning to return as much as $7,000 to a small company that they can use to then buy health care for their employees.
All right, thank you very much, Judy. Now, a lot of people, again, wondering what it all means for struggling families. There's just been a lot going on here. I want to thank everyone here. We've got the results of our Feedback 5 poll that we wanted to bring up. Do you support today's Supreme Court ruling on health care? Well, it's a divided country, and it's right here on our Facebook page. 50% of you said you support it, 48% said no, 2% said you weren't sure either way.
Brian Crowley, Judy Goodman, Gerald Humphrey, thanks to all of our guests for being here today. We so appreciate you being here on this very important decision day for our country.
Sharing it with the public.
All right, let's get a look now at what's coming up next on News Channel 5. Here's Jay Cashmere. Jay.
John Shannon, our guest, thanks so much for a very informative 30 minutes there. The news continues. Here's what's coming up next on News Channel 5 at 6.
It's a landmark decision, one that is a